Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm bringing you a review of my 2014 GT86. Now, I'm sure you guys are well aware of 86s, what they can do, how they handle. So a little bit of backstory about mine was that I had recently sold my Mercedes A250 and I thought to myself, hey, you know, the A250 had a little, you know, it was lacking on guts, it lacked on power, and I was looking for something a little more back to my heritage of two-door coupes, fast and fun. And I was looking at Toyota 86s, and you know, from my original thought I was thinking, you know, 86s are slow, they're not the exact fast car that you desire. They don't get you from A to B, you know, as quick as you want them to. And they're more of just a combi type of car, which is like a fuckboy kind of car, as my friends would say. However, this one in particular caught my eye because it actually had a handful of modifications, tasteful modifications, that brought the power up to approximately 240 rear wheel kilowatts. Now, just to give you a little bit of an example, that's about as fast as a 5-litre Mustang that's just come out of factory. And mind you, I think they're extremely quick. So this car's had an AVO Stage 3 turbo kit put in, alongside 1100cc injectors and a Stage 2 racing clutch, along with a fuel pump and titanium exhaust. Now, I mean, they're just the basic bolt-ons, but this work was all carried out at RevZone, which do performance and race engineering. Now, I would like to turn the boost up, because 9 pounds is pretty low, but due to the high compression engine, you know, there were some restrictions and I'm not exactly looking to blow my motor. So, in terms of the visuals, this car is sitting on a set of Ray's Gramlight 57Ds, wrapped in both RE002s in the rear and Eagle F1s in the front. I'm pretty sure they're looking pretty wide on the car, which does make me froth a little bit. I can't complain. But as mentioned before, the biggest aspect of this car is the power output. I mean, just listening to it flutter, it doesn't only put a smile on my face, but when I'm you know, having little races with other people, they always put their thumbs up and say, wow, I did not expect that out of an 86 at all. So I've just come up to a red light here. I'm gonna wait for the light to go green, do a bit of a U-turn and show you the power that it has. Row, row, it's gonna row like a kitty. So while I'm at it, you know, while we're at the red light, make sure you do hit that like, hit that subscribe button, as I am going to be making a little bit more videos more frequently. So I hope you do enjoy this one. Oh my god. I had tremendous amounts of wheel spin through both gear 1 and 2. Oh man. Oh Jesus. So it is a bit of a warm day today. Thank God I've warmed up the tires as well. So it is gripping a lot more, and I do have traction control on, which is helping a lot right now. But overall, holy moly. This is such a fun car. Now, in addition to being such a fun car, there are things that I wish were more improved on the car. For example, I know I do just have the basic GT86 model, which means all the instrument cluster, the head unit, and the dials for the air condition and the heater are all quite basic. However, you know, if you look at the glass being half full, it's quite a minimalistic design, where it's quite flush, quite flowy, but does exactly what you need it to do. I mean, could you compare this to the Tesla Model 3 and its minimalistic designs? Questionable. Most definitely questionable. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my clip. I'm looking to make more of these. I'm going to be doing some like vlogs, doing some car reviews, and just mucking around. Just because I quit my job, you know. Anyways, peace out, fam. I hope you enjoyed that.